son.
That way, stop.
When is it being done?
There's Christopher. Say hi, Grandpa. There's Michael.
Hi, Grandpa.
Say hi to Grandpa.
Matthew.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi. No, sit. Bye.
There we go. Excuse me. Say something real brilliant, Vince.
I don't know anything.
Very
real
good,
brilliant.
Vince. Very good.
I don't know anything real brilliant.
You could say, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
That's something real brilliant.
Yeah.
Move it. Low light. There we go.
Take a picture of their Christmas tree.
I want to turn around, Michelle, and don't be. I'll slap you if you don't. Now get around here. That girl. She believed me. She believed I would. She actually believed I would.
Travis, somebody tells you you're going to slap them, you have a tendency to believe it.
No, but you notice
Next time you come down.
most people that have known me for years know that I wouldn't do that.
What time are you
But-
coming down tomorrow, Vince?
I do get results.
Travis?